gonna be late. I know you're super, super, super tired. You were probably up all night playing games. But I can't believe you're so delirious you don't remember your big sister. Well, yeah, it's me. I just got home from college, but don't tell mom and dad yet. I want it to be a surprise, okay? Just get up, though, so we can get you ready. I'm gonna do your hair and your makeup and everything. Quit being stupid. Oh my god, get up. Come on. Oh my god, you look like a zombie. You haven't been using the skincare I sent you, right? Figures. Okay, I'm gonna let this slide on the account I just got home, and I'm super excited to see you and mom and dad. But we're gonna have a talk later when you get home, after the details about your memory loss, because it's not funny anymore. Mom and dad are gonna think it's funny though, I know they will. Of course it's me. I know it's been a while, my hair has grown out a little bit, but what a weird thing to say. Look, you were born after me, so I would say I don't have a sister, but obviously you're here. I guess for a while I didn't have a sister, and then you were born, so you always had a sister, you always had me. Look, let's just get started. You're gonna run us late. I'll drop you off at school too. You wanna do your hair, or you wanna do your makeup first, or I guess I could pluck your eyebrows. When's the last time you did your eyebrows? Oh my god. I'm just gonna brush them out first. Brush them out. And now just hold still. Don't cry. Don't cry like a baby. Oh my god, I told you not to whine. Wow, you already look 110 times better. Yes, perfect. So, let's go ahead and do your foundation. You have the right color this time, right? Last time I saw you, you had the completely wrong shade for you. This one. Yeah, that looks about right for you. So, how's Jane doing? I haven't seen her in forever. I can't believe you guys are going into high school. I remember when you would make mud pies outside my bedroom. God, you two got on my nerves so bad. You remember when you broke my DVD player? It was the biggest deal in the world then, but now they don't even exist anymore. But you remember it was like the little portable one? Yeah. You remember that, right? She broke it. And then you still forgave her. Like, you're such a good friend. I'm just gonna blend that. Just gonna blend. Just gonna blend that. Okay, we definitely need to do something about those dark circles. I bet you and her were up all night playing games, right? Figures. What are you playing these days? I can't believe mom and dad let you stay up so late though. When today's school? The first day of school. The first day of high school. I remember mom took a million pictures of me and made me get up early like this. And she did my hair and my makeup. Do you remember that? Well, you were kind of little, so. She doesn't do that for few years. It's been important to her and Dad. Although I guess he still plays in the garage all the time, doesn't he? Yeah, just doing something. Who knows what, right? I don't know, yeah, he's always been like that. Just gonna. Yeah, I guess not much has changed around here besides Mom being more distant, right? Will I be around more? Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna finish college. I think I'm gonna stick around here a little bit. Yeah, find a job. Find a job. So, just suck in your cheek. You still have the cutest little round baby face, though. Oh, come on. When you get older, you'll wish you still had your round baby face. Do you think you're gonna go to school? Well, to college? You don't know yet. You should. You know, you're really smart. I bet you still get all A's. I knew it. Honor roll. Amazing. High school's a little harder, but I think you'll do really well. Are you still in cheer? Varsity. Look at you. God, we haven't talked in forever. Oh, you know, school, college is different. You just kind of, how do you say, fade away a little bit. Everyone kind of does their own thing, and, you know. But I'm here now, and I'm here to help you. That's all I want to do is to help you grow and watch you grow. I want you to be successful. No, not like Mom. Better. Just blending that out for you. Okay, so what is your outfit? What does that mean? What is that? Oh, that's so cute. So like Elena Gilbert kind of vibes, like Vampire Diaries, Pretty Little Liars type stuff. That's so cute. No, I see it. Okay, so we'll do something more simple then. Okay, we don't want to do anything too extreme on the eyes then. And then just like a pretty lip gloss, right? Yeah. From what I remember, they did have like kind of smoky eyes, but you're in 9th grade. I don't think smoky eye is appropriate. First day of 9th grade, okay? Curl your lashes. Is everything okay? You really gotta stop saying that. It's just a weird thing to say. It's blink, 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 blink. I've always been so jealous of your lashes. Blink, 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 blink. I have to wear fake ones. Blink, 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 blink. You know, I'd be happy to do your makeup and your hair and stuff every day. No, I don't mind. I don't have anything else to do really at the Oh my god, perfect. I think that's the vibe you were going for. And look in the mirror. Isn't it perfect? No, I love it. Yes. Now, the hair. Soft curls, kind of like mine, right? Like, just soft, bouncy curls, right? You have beautiful hair, so be easy. Okay, hold on, let me get my curler. We're gonna use this one, okay? For those big, big curls. Alright, just hold still for me so I don't burn you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just let it fall. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. You're gonna love it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just gonna let that fall. Perfect. Since it's supposed to be like really loose and stuff, you don't want to do like too many sections, okay? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm just gonna let that fall. Beautiful, beautiful. It looks absolutely so good. Then I'm just gonna do this back piece right here. I'm just gonna do this back piece right here for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Perfect. Oh my god. It's literally what you were looking for. Yeah, look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. That's literally what you were looking for. It's literally what you were looking for. Of course. Oh my gosh, I love doing your makeup and your hair. This is so fun. I think some star clips would be so cute. What do you think? Yeah, okay. Just hold still for me. I'm just gonna clip. Just gonna clip. Just gonna clip your hair back over the other side. So it's still for me. I'm just gonna clip, 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 clip. I'm just gonna clip, clip your hair. Oh my gosh, you look back to school ready. How do you feel? What's wrong? What are you talking about? But we already got you ready for school.